Which Claude plan do you actually need? The honest answer is probably a cheaper plan than you think. In this video, I will show you the current options and give you a simple decision rule. I am recording the live pricing page because plans and features can change. Always trust the current page over a screenshot in a book or video. The free plan is the right starting point for anyone who is still exploring. You can chat with Claude, work with files, search the web, use memory, create content, and test many core features. The main limitation is usage. You cannot ask too many questions in a short amount of time. If you use Claude occasionally, stay on free until the limit becomes a real problem. Especially if you're new to Claude, I recommend you go through the first chapters of the book. Use the free plan to follow along and do the first tasks. Then, later in the book, you might move on to the Pro plan, which has a lot of benefits. The Pro plan is designed for regular individual use. At the time of recording, it is listed at $20 per month or $200 per year in the United States before tax. Pro provides more usage and includes important paid features such as Claude Code, Claude Cowork, unlimited projects, and research. For most readers of this book, Pro is the practical starting point for the full course. If you want to go through the books on Cowork, Claude Code, and work in bigger projects, the Pro plan is a must. Then there is the Max plan. Max is for heavy daily users. Anthropic currently offers a 5 times option and a 20 times option compared with Pro usage. Currently, the 5 times Max costs around $100. The 20 times Max plan costs around $200 per month. The important point is not the marketing name. Max mainly buys you more capacity, higher output limits, priority during busy periods, and earlier access to some advanced features. Do not buy Max because it sounds more powerful. Buy it only if Pro limits interrupt real work often enough to justify the price. Team is for organizations that need shared workspaces, administration, and collaboration. Enterprise is for larger organizations that need stronger controls, security, compliance, and tailored deployment. A solo creator does not need team or enterprise just to make better prompts. Here is my decision rule. Choose free for learning and occasional use. Choose Pro when you want the complete individual toolkit. Choose Max when you repeatedly hit Pro limits during valuable work. Choose Team or Enterprise when several people need organizational controls and shared access. Start with monthly payment first, and once you are comfortable and know that you will use Claude for the long term, you can pick annual payment and save about 10 to 15%. One more distinction. A Claude subscription is not the same thing as API billing. The API charges separately based on model usage. Most beginners do not need the API at all. That is why we won't go into it in greater detail here. But please know that API-based billing is usually much more expensive per token than billing within a normal price plan. Start with the lowest plan that completes your real tasks. You can always upgrade later. In the next video, we will look at the model choices and turn a confusing list of names into one easy decision.